What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're continuing our series of Rustoleum Custom Mix, where you guys pick a Rustoleum color and you pick a pearl, we shoot it over, and then we decide, is it fire or is it poop? 5 to 1 is our scale, guys, 5 being the greatest, 1 being absolute crap, and you guys let me know in the comments what you think. Well, today we have a very requested color. I have not sprayed it out yet on the channel. It is red. This is a Rustoleum red. It is it is Regal red to be exact. Very vivid red, and with a vivid color, we got to do a vivid pearl. I've got a champagne color shift, guys. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but over a poppy red, that champagne with a little bit of gold, and then it shifts in color, I think this is going to be an awesome spray out. But without further ado, as you see, we got our trusty fender behind me. I gotta scuff it up real quick, wipe it down with some Prep-All, and then we'll get to spraying some Rustoleum red, and then we'll try out this crazy new Colorshift pearl. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got the fender all cleaned up with Prep-All and sanded down with 600. That way we'll have a nice slick finish. If you guys want to use any of the products you see on my channel, pearls, tape, the paint gun setup, any of it, guys, it's all linked in the description. I have an Amazon page as seen on YouTube. Click on it and go check out everything that I use on the channel that you can buy on Amazon.com. I do get a small kickback, but it costs you no more, and I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel either way. It's time to spray some Regal red, guys. Let's shake this can up really good, and let's make this fender look red. Alright guys, got my clear here. As always, I don't recommend this clear. If you want to buy some good clear, go on my Amazon link in the description below. Click on as seen on YouTube, and Speedo Coat is in there. It's 2K urethane, great UV protection, it won't shrink, and it works great for jobs like this. Will last you years and years. So today we got this crazy looking champagne pearl, and it's a color shift, almost like a bronze to pinks to, I don't know, it's got a lot, guys, and I'm curious to see what this is going to do. If you haven't seen some of the other Colorshift videos, check them out. They have been really wild, and I'm hoping the same with this, especially over this red. It's going to be a real vivid poppy color. So I'm going to put some in there, just kind of sprinkle. This is a 3-ounce container, so I'm putting about ½ an ounce in, just for a fender. If you wanted to take this full scale, oh yeah. If you want to take this full scale, guys, you definitely probably need at least 25 grams, maybe even 50 in a gallon, depending on how big your car is. But like I said, it is in the description if you want to get some of these and try them out for yourself. I got to bring you guys up close and let you see this pearl. It's crazy. Man, it's got all sorts. I see golds, I see bronzes, I see pinks. Man, this is going to be crazy over that Regal red. This is going to pop. Let's put it up in the gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, now we've gotten to the fun part, shooting the pearls. Now, as I said many times over before, the big trick to shooting these Colorshift pearls, or really any pearls in general, is keeping the pearls sloshed up and agitated. You don't want them to clump, and you want everything to flow out consistent. I am shooting through my VVOR gun today. It's got a 1.4 tip, and I typically shoot 26, 28 PSI. That's my settings. You can adapt those settings to your own regulator setup, or, you know, dial it in the way you want, guys. But First coat is just a dust coat to introduce the pearls and the clear to the Rustoleum. And man, I'm ready to shoot it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so I've showed everybody this before, but this is after only one coat. If you just wanted to get an effect over red and not lose the red, hardly any at all, I would stop at one coat. And it doesn't take much, guys. Especially with this Colorshift stuff, a little goes a long ways. But obviously we're taking this full scale. We're gonna stretch it out to the extreme and see what the limits are. So let's keep putting coats on, maybe 2-3 coats, and then we'll take it out in the sun and let's see how she sparkles. Alright guys, so that's the video for the day. What did you think of it? Man, I'm not even going to say it, but you already know. The red really looks awesome. I did 3 coats of the champagne Colorshift pearl over top of it. It's got a lot of golds, a lot of greens, a little bit of everything, guys. And when that sun hits it, it just pops. But that's red for you, man. Red is a very vibrant color. It is very particular on coverage. And it did take me 3 or 4 coats to get that fender fully covered from the last one, which was a burgundy, which not that far off, but still. Anyways, guys, you are the ultimate judges. You guys let me know. 1, it sucked. 5, it was awesome. Let me know in the comments. Also, what would you guys like to see sprayed out next? I get a lot of comments about different things, guys, and I'm always looking for the next poppy, crazy, quirky combination to spray. But that's up to you guys. If you like what I did today, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I'm very blessed. We're over 3,500 subscribers now, growing. At 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to probably do another giveaway. Might give away another paint gun set or 2 or 3 and some other pearls and stuff. But you just have to wait and see, guys. It's going to be up to you guys to get me there. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. Man, this was a beautiful spray out to me, and I had a lot of fun. But I will see you guys on the next video. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I appreciate you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out video.